Core strength, so important for our physical health. Today I have some core strengthening work you can do in a chair. You don't always have to be able to get down on the ground to at least get a little bit of core work in. So what I'm going to suggest you do, find a nice sturdy chair and sit towards the front of that chair. And then lean back until your shoulders, your upper back touch the chair. From here, we're going to start with a little bit of marching. Bring your attention to those abdominal muscles in the front. Maybe you even think about tightening them a little bit. Pause. From here, we'll take some toe taps. So you might want to hold on. Don't have to. So now we're just tapping our toes, our feet a little bit further away from us. Pause. Maybe you do some heel taps. Toes are pointing towards you. If that was a lot of work, pause, rest. See if you can do that 5 or 10 more times. Rest, and then maybe one more set. If you'd like to kick it up a notch, you can hold onto your chair. I'm on my toes. I'm going to lift one leg up. I'm going to hold that. Then I'm going to invite my other leg to join in. Most folks are going to start feeling something here. See if you can avoid sitting right on your tailbone like this. Try to maybe roll back a little bit. Engage those abdominal muscles. Keep your collarbones nice and wide and open. Breathe here. You can take a break and resume. If you find that you'd like a little more challenge, you could take one or both hands off the chair and breathe. Take a break. I'm going to try one more challenge here in a chair. So again, adjust your pelvis as you need to. Ideally, you're not arching your low back. So I'm going to lift one foot. I'm going to lift the other foot, keeping my chest nice and open here. I'm taking one hand off. I'm taking the other hand off. And then I'm going to try to straighten my legs. For some reason, I can do this better on the ground, but it's definitely more work here in a chair. Holding this, maybe for 3 breaths, you got to breathe. Bend the knees, hold on to the chair, lower your legs. You could also keep your hands on the chair and straighten your legs. Ish. And then maybe you consider hovering. Ooh, I'm getting pretty tired there. I hope you give these a try. This is basically boat pose, which is a yoga pose, but it's done in a chair, so you don't have to get down on the ground. Give it a try.